My name is Bernard, a consultant. Environmental health, the final project presentation. Introduction. Drinking water is essential for daily living. It is also essential to maintain high quality water supply to millions of acres through maintenance of surveillance and monitoring control of the water supply system. Environmental impact. Environmental disaster, for example, heavy torrential rain, floods, earthquake, fire and extremes of weather, deforestation, protozoal infections could lead to clay particle formation which distorts water turbidity and chlorination. Giardiasis and cryptosporidiosis are part of infections environmental impact could cause. Urban contamination. Contaminations resulting from major constructions, manufacturing, oil drilling activities could break the underground distributing system of water supply, which could be a possible source of water contamination. Also, domestic wastewater management breach could result to water contamination too from the sewage system. Health impact. Water contamination could lead to gastrointestinal diseases, for example, it could cause diarrhea, cholera, and amoebiasis. It could equally cause anemia, lead poisoning, hearing difficulties, growth retardation in children. In adults, it could also cause diseases of the kidney, cardiovascular system disorders, and renal anomalies, and equally anemia in adults. Recommendations. Purification of water turbidity with aluminum is recommended. This clears the clear particles that are deposited into the water. Filtration avoidance during water treatment stage is equally recommended. This means there's no filtration used in the process of water treatment at the early stages. Boiling water to recommended temperatures is recommended. Chlorination of water is equally recommended, and identifying water contaminants from sources and treating accordingly is recommended too. Emergency response team establishment, regulatory and compliance monitoring team, domestic waste control measures, and the implementation of controlled waste management strategies like the use of closed containers, garbage collecting system for cans in the homes should be closed until the truck that picks them up comes and then picks garbages up and deposit at the designated area for decontamination and appropriate controlled treatment of the garbage. Pollution control measures, lead control measures enforcement, random testing for lead levels, especially among children or industrial workers that work with lead materials like in paint industries and asbestos industries. Control use of herbicides and insecticides, especially around reservoirs zones. Protection of water reservoirs and distribution system is highly recommended. Voluntary monitoring by residents. These because millions of people are involved in drinking water, and to make sure that every water that gets into the home of residents in New York State, we should be able to know that the high quality intended supply is reached its target. Therefore, residents should volunteer to monitor the quality of water by just undergoing training. This is going to be cost effective to the state because you're not going to pay the residents just on voluntary basis. So you train them how to use special instruments to put into water and record values. The recorded values should be sent to the central system through the internet so that the central system will collect this data and analyze it. And if there's any discrepancy, there's any problem, it should be detected and get sorted out early. Disease outbreak monitoring unit establishment should be encouraged. Operational performance and distribution monitoring units also should be established. Closing remark. Appropriate treatment and follow-up of cases with the epidemiological documentation is important to ensure continued delivery of high-quality water to millions of New Yorkers. Thank you, Bernard, consultant. Good.